Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the printing issue when you're attempting to add the printer and it says that the Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x000003e3. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. So, ang first step na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung Registry Editor, and then right-click ka lang dito and select mo lang dito yung Run as Administrator. Okay, so dito sa Registry Editor, so before we proceed, first, we need to create a backup files because anything go wrong, you can easily restore the settings back. On how to create backup files, so dito lang sa taas ay select mo lang dito yung file, and then select mo lang dito yung export. So dito sa export ay kailangan mo lang mag-select dito kung saan mo isi-save yung file. So select ka lang dito. And then kailangan mo lang mag-create ng file name. And then after that, click mo lang tong save. Alright? Kung paano mo naman itong i-restore yung settings kapag nakapag-create ka na. So same, click mo lang tong file and then click mo lang tong import. And then next ay select mo lang dito kung saan mo sinave yung files and then select mo lang dito. Alright? So proceed na tayo. And the next step ay dito lang sa computer and then select mo lang dito yung HKey local machines. Click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung system. And then dito sa system ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung CurrentControlSet. So click mo lang ito. And then dito sa CurrentControlSet, select mo lang dito yung control. So click mo lang ito. And then dito sa control ay scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung print. So click mo ito. And then dito sa print ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung environment. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa environments, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows x64. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito sa Windows x64, kailangan mo lang select dito yung drivers. So i-click mo lang ito. And then dito sa drivers ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung version 3. Okay, so click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then dito sa version 3 ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft Enhanced Point Print Compatibility Driver. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then next ay pop-up ito mga kaibigan. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Printer Driver Attribute. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click dito. And then dito sa Edit Viewer 32-bit value ay dito lang sa value data ay kailangan mo lang palitan tong 23 into 1. And then next dito sa base ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung hexadecimal and then click mo lang to okay. Alright, and the next step ay close lang tayo. So back lang tayo dito. So back natin to. And then close lang natin dito. And the next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang to restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows cannot connect to the printer operation failed with error 0x000003e3. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you at my next tutorial.